Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are doing good. Today I'm sharing with you the most easiest, fluffiest, yummiest, healthiest oatmeal pancake recipe that's going to be melt in your mouth, and I'm sure you will make it every day for your kids. First thing first, we are using here 2 bananas. The more ripe bananas you have, the more sweetener there will be, so we don't need to add any sweetener in this. Here I'm adding 2 eggs. Here I'm adding 1 cup of rolled old-fashioned oats. I'm using your old-fashioned oats, not the instant oats, because they are more perfect for this recipe. 1 teaspoon of baking powder and ½ teaspoon of cinnamon. I'll add milk if required and some salt. So the texture for my pancake should be like a runny and at the same time smoothie as well. So for me it's just perfect. I'm not adding any milk. So in my pancake pan I'm adding here butter, and this mixture will give me 8 good sized pancakes, medium sized pancakes. You can go ahead and make it in any kind of flat pan you have. So if you are new to my channel, you are most welcome. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. I'm posting more than 1 video every week. It will take around like 3 to 4 minutes to cook from one side, and when you see that the bubbles appeared on the top of the pancake, it means it's time to flip them. So here's the fun part: flip, flip, flip. And something happened here. It's burned, but it's okay. It's gonna give me 8 good sized pancake, so I made more. Decorate it with the strawberries, serve it with the strawberries, banana, chia seeds, maple syrup, or the honey is the most affordable option as well. Just look at it, the fluffiest pancake. Do give it a try, you will love it. Let me know in the comment section below if you like my recipe. Thanks for watching. If you like it, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to be updated.